IoT refers to the interconnectivity of physical devices, vehicles, buildings, and other items that are embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and network connectivity, enabling them to collect and exchange data. In the manufacturing and supply chain operations, IoT is being leveraged to optimize processes, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. For example, IoT-enabled devices can monitor the production line in real time, detect potential issues, and trigger automatic responses to prevent downtime. Additionally, IoT technologies are being used in supply chain operations to track and monitor the movement of goods, from production to delivery. This allows companies to have real-time visibility into their supply chain, reducing the risk of delays or disruptions and enabling them to respond quickly to changes in demand or supply. IoT is also helping companies to improve the quality of their products, by collecting data on the production process and using it to identify areas for improvement. This leads to increased efficiency and reduced waste, which translates into cost savings for the company. And let's not forget about predictive maintenance. IoT devices can collect data on equipment performance and use it to predict when maintenance will be required, reducing the risk of unexpected downtime and ensuring that equipment is always operating at peak performance. But what are some of the challenges that companies face in implementing these technologies? One of the main challenges is data management. Companies need to have the infrastructure in place to store, process, and analyze large amounts of data generated by IoT devices. Another challenge is the integration of IoT technologies with existing systems and processes. Companies need to ensure that their systems are compatible with the new technologies and that they can work together seamlessly. And finally, security is a big concern. As companies rely more on IoT devices, they need to ensure that their systems are secure and protected against cyber attacks, which could compromise sensitive information and impact the operation of their business.